पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में अब वक्त है 57 किलोग्राम पुरुषों के वर्ग के मुकाबले का। देवियों सज्जनों, हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के संदीप तोमर।
पर मन का है ये बोला, छोटी छोटी बातों पे दिल पे लग जाती चोट है, पर टेंशन तो नहीं लेते क्योंकि फैन फॉलोइंग बहुत है।
पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में मुंबई महारथी की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के ही राहुल आवारे।
This is the final bout of the day today, and these two have a traditional rivalry going between each other. Sandeep Tomar of Haryana Hammers in the men's 57 kg category. This 27-year-old won a Commonwealth Championship gold in 2013, a Tahiti Cup bronze in 2015 in his name. And Sandeep Tomar is up against Rahul Aware, who had a gold in the 2013, 14 and 15 senior nationals as well. Aware is 25 years old. Now remember, he's also had a bronze in the Olympic Asian qualifying tournament in Kazakhstan in 2016. So he's really been up and about, and these two have been on the mat on a few occasions facing off against each other. I'm Raman Bhanot, with me is Ajay Mehra, and Ajay, this could very well be a bout for pride because Haryana Hammers, remember, have already won today's contest because overall they're up ahead in the tie score with a 4-2 scoreline.
Yes, absolutely, Raman. I think they've seen the tie, but as far as this game is concerned, I think a very important game for Rahul Aware. Both these grapplers are very talented. As you rightly mentioned, that both have been fighting each other for in various tournaments. And remember, they were sold for exactly the same price in the auction. That's 31 lakhs. So exactly the same price. But at the moment, if you see Sandeep looking to attack a bit more, Rahul Aware has shown good defense, but this is going to be a very important tie for Rahul Aware. A bit of pride is well at stake for him.
But the opening points being scored by Haryana Hammers. Their grappler Sandeep Tomar picks up 2 points in the blue corner. So this is a good start from Tomar.
Yeah, absolutely. He's got some experience behind him. He's participated in the Rio Olympics as well in 2016. Couldn't do much out there, but that exposure was pretty handy for him. He's got all the experience behind him. He's got a good start here, Sandeep Tomar.
This will be interesting. How does Rahul Aware come back? Because the opening salvo has been fired by Sandeep Tomar.
Just I feel he's pushing himself back. He's not going for the kill or the attack very early. Just bit defensive so far, Rahul Aware. He's got to make the move. Time running away from him. Sandeep Tomar looking bit attacking.
And Tomar's got a lot more experience. If you look at his past record, he's been around on the circuit for a while. You look back at that goal at the Copa Brazil Cup in 2012 in Rio. Showing at Rio in 2016 as well, where he participated in the Olympics. The Tomar currently in the lead against Aware. And these two have got a traditional rivalry going over the last few years.
Just see how strong he's Sandeep Tomar as far as upper body is concerned. Just pushing Rahul Aware away. He's gaining confidence.
And he's picked up another point there because he's pushed his opponent out of the safety zone. So 3-0 is the lead for Sandeep Tomar. And remember, this is a weight category, a men's 57 kg, where you're going to see a lot more quicker moves from the grapplers. This weight category allows for swift movements. You'll probably see the grapplers try and go for those low takedowns, the single leg holds to be converted. So what we saw from Sandeep Tomar was a little rare, using the upper body strength to push his opponent out just a little while ago.
You're right. So far we've seen good footwork, especially from Sandeep Tomar, and upper body. That power is also being utilized by him. Time running away for Rahul Aware. He's got to dominate more, attack more. Just about under 20 seconds left now in this first round. Sandeep Tomar has started off pretty well.
Absolutely no two ways about it. Tomar has come out all guns blazing. That was good defense. Kept his legs away as Rahul Aware was trying to grab the leg. And that was also going to end the opening round of 3 minutes. And it is Sandeep Tomar who's leading 3-0.
Last second, he was still looking for the push. But Rahul Aware just managing himself and saving himself. But Sandeep Tomar has got a handy lead and is leading 3-0 end of round 1.
This is where real action is. Asli Dangal is, as they call it. Pro Wrestling League Season 2. It's the Haryana Hammers who are up against Mumbai Maharathis today on the opening day of Season 2. And this is the last bout of the day, remember, into the second and final round of this bout, where Haryana Hammers, remember, they've already clinched the tie. But in this bout, Sandeep Tomar of Haryana Hammers is 3-0 up against Rahul Aware, his old opponent on the mat. These two have been facing off against each other a few times. And remember, this is a bout which is more of a bout for pride as far as Rahul Aware is concerned against Tomar. He's got to start a little more aggressive, and that's exactly what Rahul Aware has done. He's got behind Sandeep Tomar. He should pick up a couple of points. He does. He opens his account. This is a strong positive start, Ajay.
Absolutely, that's exactly what he wanted, and he's going for the kill. Counter attack by him, and will definitely yield more points for him. What a start for him.
Scrambling to safety, that is what Tomar did, and saved himself the ignominy of losing another point. So the difference is still just that solitary point. Remember, Haryana Hammers have clinched the tie 4-2. Irrespective of what happens in this bout, they've clinched the tie today. But this is critical.
But Rahul Aware doing the right things. He's going for that attacking option. And once again, if you see, he's taken a good hold out here, Rahul Aware. So things have turned out differently in this bout for him. And once again, getting a very, very strong hold. He's leading now, Rahul Aware. What a comeback by him. Stopping at the moment, the referee. But definitely very important points garnered by Rahul Aware so far in this second round. And that's exactly what he needed. Things have really turned dramatically. More of a match for pride as far as Rahul Aware is concerned. Remember, Haryana Hammers have already won this tie. But the Mumbai Marathi, they know that once you get confidence, especially winning any match, any bout, that will reflect in the entire tournament for any grappler. Rahul Aware getting a different start as far as this round is concerned. Sandeep Tomar just pushing backwards. He's not attacking, knows that Rahul Aware is going for the single leg tackle for a hold on his ankle. This has been a very, very fine contest, and once again getting that hold here, Rahul Aware. Making the right moves, moving very swiftly, coming from behind. Could be more points here for him. What a hold he's got. Firm grip, and he's rolling Sandeep Tomar away. Fantastic moves by Rahul Aware. He's got a very, very healthy lead. And that's exactly why the coach and the support staff is so very happy. And he's won this game as well. What a win. Getting a very, very handy lead. If we get a lead of 15 points, he'll definitely win this game. Not much time left as far as this round is concerned now. Leading by 11 points so far. What a comeback for Rahul Aware. Sandeep Tomar, can he turn things around? It's going to be really tough for him. Just about under 20 seconds left. Now in this bout, Rahul Avare has shown that he's very skilled. Sandeep Tomar represented India. Everyone watching this contest pretty happy. Just a bit of hold of play. He's taking his time here. Rahul Avare. So, getting injured, bit of agony, bit of pain for him. It's all about blood and sweat in any sport. Not much time left as far as this round is concerned. Just under 10 seconds left. Just getting the treatment that he requires at the moment, Rahul Avare. It's been a very fine comeback from the young man. Gold medalist in 2013, 14, 15 in the senior nationals. Once again, Sandeep Tomar looking to attack. Good defense, good moves by Rahul Avare, pushing himself back. And that's the end. He's won this game, defeated Sandeep Tomar. They have old rivalry. But Rahul Avare, the winner as far as this contest is concerned. A fine win by the young man. Haryana Hammers winning the tie, but the last bout won by Mumbai Marathi. Really won the hearts of all the people out here. His coach, his teammates. Very, very fine performance by Rahul Avare. And he's won this game 14-5 points. Sandeep Tomar started off well, but in the end, Rahul Avare was the winner, winning by the point difference. Started off in fine fashion, Sandeep Tomar attacked a lot, but Rahul Avare coming back very strongly, getting a very firm grip in the second round, getting a tight hold, and that hold was enough for him, and then getting quick points added to his kitty. The grip was pretty good, the takedown very swift, very good footwork shown by him, using all the power, all the strength that was required. And in the end, garnering quick points, Rahul Avare, which were really very, very handy for him. Turning around his opponent, Sandeep Tomar, in a flash, and shielding great results for Rahul Avare, adding points to his kitty, and that move really paid off dividends for him. And in the end, winning the game, Rahul Avare. A very, very good win for him.